Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. Tonight we're going to be making a Santa Fe enchilada bake. We're going to need salsa. I got the mild one, but you can get the one that's the hot one or the medium one. I got the mild. You're going to need corn. I have the frozen corn, but you can put canned corn if you like. And also chicken. You're gonna need like chicken breast. I bought the rotisserie chicken and it's already cooked, so I'm not gonna bother with the cooking of the chicken, so I'm just gonna use the breast from the chicken. You're also gonna need ricotta cheese. I have these little onions, so I'm gonna use 3 of them, and the 4 cheese, Mexican 4 cheese, and green sweet bell pepper, 1 cup. And I also have these frozen. I had them frozen for a while. The habanero peppers, and I'm going to put those in there too. Also, you're going to be needing tortilla chips. I had these taco shells, which I haven't used. I had it in the refrigerator, and that's what I'm going to use. And you're going to need one of these Pyrex or oven proof dishes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, and then we're gonna put just a tiny bit of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil or any kind of oil, just a little bit, to saute the onions and the peppers. And then we're going to throw the chicken in here. Okay, so here go the onions. There were like 3 small onions. You can put as many onions as you like. And the peppers I cut like really in small pieces. I'm gonna put the peppers in here, green bell peppers, and also these habaneros. Okay, we're gonna saute this for a few minutes, and then we're gonna throw in the chicken. If the chicken is not cooked, you have to put the chicken in now. This is just to saute the onions and the pepper. You can put bell pepper and any other kind of peppers that you like. If you like really spicy pepper, really hot peppers, you can put those. So the onions are sauteed a little bit, and now we're going to put the chicken. I cut the chicken in like 5 sides. It's the whole breast of that rotisserie chicken. So we're going to add this in now. This is just to warm up the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit of oil. So we're gonna add 2 cups, or as much as we have here. 1 cup and more or less 2 cups what we have here. 2 cups. It's 1 jar, 1 16-ounce jar. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of dry wine, just a tiny bit, to rinse out the cup. Just a tiny bit here. And now we're also going to add the corn. Okay, 1 cup. Okay, about 1 cup and 3/4. 1 3/4 cup of corn. This is frozen corn, but if you want, you can add canned corn. The corn was already thawed out, not completely, but a little bit. I lowered the heat to medium. I'm going to put it like medium high. This is a very simple recipe. It takes a few ingredients, but it's very simple to make. Okay, this is ready. I don't want it to dry out too much because we're going to put it in the oven. So this is perfect. And that little bit of dry wine came in really, really good. Just a drizzle. So let's just put it to the side now. Turn this off. Okay, so now we're going to do at least 2 layers. I'm going to put these here like that. I broke off the bottom part so they would lay flat. Break up the bottom part, and I put those pieces in another plate because I'm going to sprinkle it over. Let's put that. And that. We have 3, 2, 3. Okay, so that should be good like that. Let's do something else. That, since this is the bottom layer, I think I'm gonna put these like that. Okay? Now we're gonna put a layer of the mixture, the chicken pepper mixture. We're gonna put this at the bottom. Layer number 1 for the chicken. Now I'm gonna put 1 layer of ricotta cheese. You can also put sour cream if you like, but you just put as much as you like. Okay, that is good. Now we're gonna put the other cheese. Now we're gonna sprinkle the 4 cheese over this. Okay, so now let's go for the second layer, tortillas. I'm gonna save that one for garnishing. So I'm gonna put these, and now we put the second layer of the chicken peppercorn. Spread it out. You can make this dish as spicy hot as you like it. Ricotta. Just spread it out as much as you can. Okay, when you put it in the oven, if it's filled like this, like all the way to the top, make sure you put a pan underneath of it so it doesn't like dirty up your oven. Put the 4 cheeses. 4 cheese. With a ricotta, you need a whole 32 ounce tub. Okay, so now we're going to bake it in the oven for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so here it is, project finished. It's the Santa Fe enchilada bake. For garnishing, I'm going to put some parsley over it. You don't have to put parsley, like that.
The Santa Fe what?
The Santa Fe enchilada bake.
Oh, that's delicious.
Okay, and also, do you think we can borrow some of your chips?
Yeah.
Okay, my son bought some lime trocitos, so I was gonna put these, but I think I'm gonna put those instead. Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, and also I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to cut it so you can see what it looks like once you cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Going to cut it. Hope it comes out in one piece. If not, we'll just wing it here. There we go. Look at that. Yummy, yum, yum. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Good night. Okay, Yvonne.
Alright, so you grab one of these hint of lime tortilla chips. Grab a nice chunk with the cheese.
And it's hot.
It's hot, but let's see.
Goodbye, everybody.
This is one of the good things.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everybody.